What's up, guys? Shulman here once again, and it's another hot and sunny day in Florida. But today is a maintenance day after the full 3-day event weekend. So yeah, pretty much after every drift event, I like to go over the car, you know, anything that's a problem. So first thing I'm gonna do is do a simple oil change, because I like doing my oil changes every 3 or 4 events, depending on what kind of car you have. I definitely recommend doing an oil change every 3 or 4 events, because the cars are redlined the entire time. You're driving the crap out of them, and you want to make sure that they're always have good fresh oil, never low, never too high. It's perfect. So usually I do, every 3 or 4 events do oil changes. Then I'm gonna clean the entire car, because I like having my car looking good even though it's spray paint. I like making sure it looks good. The car ran great once again. Ran so good over the weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna do a full refresh, make sure all the fluids are good, bolts are tight. Yeah, just basic stuff. Make sure it's all good. I got these tires and wheels as a bundle, and they have not much, well, yeah, they have no life left. So I ordered new RSRs. Those are being soon. I'm gonna do, no, these are done. Time for new tires. As you guys know, I was complaining about my grip levels over the weekend. It was decently fast, but like in the rain, it was just dirt slow, and the dry was decently fast. But with this power now at the axles, I can actually run bigger tire and run more grip. These are 225 Kenda Cager KR20s, and they're very good tires. They last forever. They're always grippy. Love these tires, but now I'm going to try 245 and above. No more 225s. That's just too small. That's coming in the future. I'm going to try some GT radial tires as well. Had to go change it to my, Subaru oil change shirt, because they always need oil. So yeah, I had to change it to this shirt real quick. Can't ruin any of my good shirts. I'm running the Valvoline VR1 2050. I've never had a problem with this oil. It always runs great. I never burnt oil or anything. This oil runs very well for racing or any like high performance car. I'm gonna throw that in there and then change the filter, and then the oil will be done. All right, oil change is done. Got some fresh oil in there, ready to drive again. I always love driving cars with fresh oil changes. I feel like they know that it's fresh. I don't know, it's weird. They just feel like more like just safe, simple. If you guys didn't know, we're driving compound this Saturday. Just me and my friends are gonna go out there and do a few hours of driving. It's fun, seat time. I'm just gonna bring these 225s off, LSW, I'm gonna need more grip, so a compound ain't that much grip, so I'm just gonna burn these off so I can have some nice big, 245 plus tires at OSW, so I can be in tandem with all the guys and just be competitive, I guess. But car is all refreshed and ready to go. A few videos ago, I bolted this to the stock crash bar, and I guess a few bolts fell off this weekend while driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix all that. It's bothering me right now. I cannot stand this thing doing all this crap. No, I'm gonna fix it right now. All right, bumper's back on and in place. I hate when things aren't fitting good. Well, I don't really care that much, but the rear end bumper drives me crazy. But yep, back in place. Now it's time to pull this thing out and give it a nice wash. It's so freaking dirty. Look at this crap. Oh my God, no. Detail time. As a detailer, these are my worst enemy. These are the worst things ever created for anything. Don't ever touch a car with actual paint with a brush. But the 240 drift car is an exception. I never use brushes on anything. But 240 is okay. We can do this with 240. ready to drive again. All I need now really is some front tires, but I'm just gonna drive these at the compound and then put the new ones on for the next event. But God, this car looks so good. I love this car. Oh, I love this car so much. Heck yeah. Saturday, going to the compound, I'm gonna drive a bunch of friends, it'll be a blast. I can't wait. Compound's a bunch of fun, it's just sketchy, you know, because, you know, the drop-offs and stuff. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.